Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OpenAI token. Ticker symbol is OAI. This token is trending #1 on Pink Sale right now. They're just finishing their pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they just finished their pre-sale, basically 1 second ago here. They do have a full audit on Pink Sale, so they were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. They also have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have a Seifu badge on here done by Trinos, and you can view the PDF of that Seifu badge as well. For socials, their Telegram is at OpenAI_BSC. They have a Facebook, OpenAI_BSC, a Twitter, OpenAI_BSC, and their official webpage is OpenAI-BSC.com. Now, they just finished their pre-sale. Their soft cap was set at 60 BNB, and they ended up selling 549.02 BNB worth of tokens for a very successful pre-sale. It was a public pre-sale. They had 236 different investors contribute to the pre-sale. It says OpenAI is the first AI meme coin, which is inspired by Elon Musk's tweet, aims to be the most marketing-focused AI utility meme coin. Seifu KYC audit #1 DEX view trending on launch. DEX tool ads, community-driven, AveDex #1 hot trending on launch. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, no team, no private tokens at all. There's going to be token burns, low 60 BNB, and soft cap, and then low tax of 3 and 3. And it says fully working app is live too as well. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, I would follow their Twitter or their Telegram, and they'll announce exactly in the next day or two when the pool on PancakeSwap will be filled. And once it is, you'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, then going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the OpenAI token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, OpenAI-BSC.com. You'll probably have to set slippage somewhere around 3% for buys and 3% for sells. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 366 days. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. They have a token metrics pie chart on here. It says 28.49% of the tokens go to liquidity, 49.99% go to pre-sale, and 21.5% of the tokens get burnt. There's also a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on Pink Sale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It says owner cannot blacklist users, owner cannot change trading status, owner cannot set max transaction, owner cannot change fees over 25%, and no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. So if you want to find more info, head over to their official webpage. Over there you can find roadmap. It looks like they have a white paper as well. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so their white paper works as well. You can follow their socials too. So it says, OpenAI harnesses the power of AI to bring your imagination to life. We combined AI and blockchain to promote the development of blockchain through artificial intelligence. So AI is a branch of computer science that attempts to understand the essence of intelligence and produce a new intelligent machine that can respond in a manner similar to human intelligence. Research in this field includes robotics, language recognition, image recognition, natural language processing, and expert systems, etc. Since the birth of AI, the theory and technology has become increasingly mature, and the application fields have also continued to expand. It can be imagined that the technology products brought by AI in the future will be in the container of human wisdom. AI can simulate the information process of human consciousness and thinking. AI is not just human intelligence, but it can be thought of like human beings, and it may surpass human intelligence. So AI has been playing an increasingly important role in crypto in the past years. AI can help automate and improve many areas in the crypto industry, from data analysis to portfolio management. So one of the most common use cases in the crypto space is algorithmic trading. They're going to have market data, generate trading signals, fraud detection, automated compliance processes, blockchain analytics, etc. So it doesn't say what the tax is for. It says 3 and 3 for the tax, but it does not say what it goes to, which is kind of strange. Skip down to the roadmap here. Their roadmap here, starting with phase 1, is going to be website and community building. Pink Sale Fair launch. So that's where we're at right now. They already did their audit, KYC, and Seifu badge, like I mentioned earlier. But coming up next, will be the Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko listing and Pancake Swap listing. Then they're going to do their BSC scan verification. Then phase 2 is going to be their decentralized application development, social media ads campaign, viral Twitter marketing campaign, website 2.0 release, listing on tier 1 central exchanges. And then phase 3 is going to be integrate artificial intelligence and blockchain to launch more convenient blockchain applications. So basically they don't really have any utility, and then they're pretty vague about like what their DApp and everything is going to be, and how they're going to integrate AI into the future. So just be aware, this is very much a meme coin with not a lot of utility. Even though it has a fancy OpenAI name on it, that doesn't mean like this is chock filled with artificial intelligence. Now, their Twitter, 11 tweets so far. They don't even really have a banner. It just says 1,789 followers on here. But yeah, not a lot to this project. So if you're looking for a fancy project, this is probably not it. And, it seems like it has decent security, but, always do your own research and make sure that everything's good, because, yeah, there's not a lot to this token. It's very much a meme coin with, anyways, not a lot to it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.